Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell.
Hey guys! So, yeah, I know it's kind of like late kind of vibe looking, and it is. And that's basically because I'm just not making this video. Yesterday was Saturday, and which was the 20th, so now it's just like the 21st, or I think so. Yeah, now it's the 21st, so yeah. So basically, I've been cleaning up my bedroom because it really needs to be done. It's a hot mess, like extremely a hot mess. And also within that, I'm going to be remaking my whole entire house. So each day it's like a whole process. So slowly everything else has been going good and we clean up. So yeah, that's great. Trying to keep it up, you know, to keep it going. So like I've been saying, it's just really late right now. It is today is Sunday. It is 1:05. I've been talking to you guys, and I am going to like make this to like the next day when I'm talking to you guys because I'm very tired and I'm getting sleepy. And earlier today, of Saturday, I was meant to say was that after I got off work, I went to sleep. I slept really all the way until like 1 or 2 o'clock. I don't remember. I know I got up really late though. So that was that. And now I'm going to go to bed. So I'm going to fill you in on the rest of the stuff of the next day. Hey guys, so today is Sunday and it is, I think, the 21st. Today is the 21st of February 2021, and I am going to be, like I said on Saturday, basically what I was doing that morning. Basically, I am decorating, reorganizing, all type of good stuff for my bedroom. When I say it's a hot mess, and I'm showing you a bit of why it is. And I was so tired from yesterday. I basically had a long day, and I was ready from work, and then just tried to relax and eat, and then try to get back in the groove of me cleaning, organizing this bedroom like it needs to be done. And let's get into me showing you what I got started with for right now, and the after results of me doing that. Let's get. So this is what it looks like on my bed, because all of this was over there. You see the difference. So yeah, this is what it looks like over this side. Just a hot mess that needs to be done. Yeah, so you can understand why I was so tired, guys. So yeah, that is really why I was so tired from yesterday. I got majority of it halfway done, and then I was like, I'm just gonna be, you know, doing it basically today, do the rest today. So whatever I got done that night of Saturday night, leave the rest for that to be getting finished and done for today of Sunday. And I'm super excited because I am literally almost done, and I will be done with this room cleaning, reorganizing, decorating, and all that good stuff. Yeah guys, I am so excited just for all this, like how the turnout's gonna be, of, you know, seeing how it looks. Of it basically been like just need to be clean, everything on the bed, everything on the floor, just all that put up and putting away. So basically getting everything clean, and then getting everything reorganized, and then redecorating, and then after that, making sure everything else that needs to be done in this bedroom gets done like today. So super excited for showing you guys the basically beginning to the end of this bedroom, I guess, makeover, I guess you would say. So also right now I'll be lighting this because I have my natural lighting coming through, so don't pay that no mind. So guys, yes, let me try to get there. We got that. So yeah guys, I can see some stuff hanging up, but I'm gonna go and get this done. And hey guys, so today is the third day of this, I'm just gonna call it extreme bedroom makeover because it's exactly what it is. And I'm almost done cleaning it. I'm still doing this right here of this part, as you can see. So yeah, and I got majority of it done. Today is Monday, the February the 22nd of 2021. So we're just gonna get this up and going. And as you can see, the lighting is like, I have natural lighting coming through by the window, and also my lighting because I'm trying to film this as I'm going for you guys. I couldn't film it yesterday like I really want to, of me actually doing the clothes and folding and all that type of stuff, because my neighbors upstairs were just very noisy and I didn't like doing that because it was like really bad like noise. So I'm just gonna film this little part right here that I can get. So yeah, basically the noise is gone and I'm happy about that, so I can actually tell you the progress that I have actually made throughout this video of what the progress I have got done so far. I am happy getting done because I'm really amazed how far I really accomplished of really getting this floor cleaned off and everything be put up together. So let me show you my progress. So yeah, this is the progress that I got done so far. Like I said, I can actually walk through here and see my feet and all that type of stuff. So that is like a win-win. So furthermore, I'm going to show you basically of me getting the stuff folded, put up, and all that good stuff. And furthermore, let's hop back into the video of me showing you everything. So this is what I got done so far. That's still there. That's gonna be going in a little bit. The majority of everything is off my bed. It's in the closet now. Majority of all of it. So I got that, and this is what needs to be put up. Which all that would be over here area, and then all of that will be for my shoes. So you'll see all of this gets done in a little bit. So yay! So yeah, that's really about it that got done so far. Like I said, all that will on the bed will be over here in this area, and I'm not gonna I will show you that process, although right now I am in a strictly like time crunch to really help me get all this done, so when I come home tomorrow I don't have to do it, because I have other stuff around the house that I have to do and it needs to be done. So I'm just basically the clip after this, you'll basically see the beginning to the ending results of the basically extreme bedroom makeover. So yeah, so furthermore, I want to stop talking and get to me her cleaning up cleaning up the room and reorganizing it and making it over. So yeah, get you guys in that one in the next clip. So guys, this will be Bedroom Extreme Makeover Part 1. Super excited. Hope to see you there on the next one for Part 2, which will be so exciting to see how everything turns out in the finished result. Hope to see you there.
This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, voluches.